Hi everyone, it's Liv again. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to achieve this bold, glossy red lip, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. Let's get started. Let's create the perfect canvas for our eyes and lips by working on our face first. I am using my favorite BB cream, which provides coverage and the right amount of hydration. Next, tackle those under eye circles and blemishes with your favorite concealer. You can blend out your concealer using a sponge, a brush, or even your fingers. Most importantly, you just want it to be all blended out and even. You know the drill. Set all of your foundation, BB cream, concealer with a pressed powder. It's Valentine's Day, so let's use a rose-colored blush to add some color to our cheekbones. I like to use a blush that has some shimmer so it can act as a highlighter too. So it's kind of like two steps in one. And then for eyebrows, just using my favorite tinted brow gel to fill them in. Now let's move on to eyeshadows. I'm going to use a matte white cream color and apply this all over my lid and into my brow bone, which will act as a nice base for all the rest of the colors. I'm actually going to use the same brush and now apply a sparkling light pink shade on our lid, just to really get into that Valentine's Day spirit. To deepen up the crease, let's take a darker taupe color on a fluffy brush and work that into your crease. Nothing goes great with a bold red lip than a winged eyeliner. So I'm going to take a black liquid eyeliner and apply this to my top lash line and wing it out ever so slightly on the outer corner. And with this step, just take your time, be patient, really just create that perfect wing. We're actually not going to use any eyeliner on the lower lash line, but we're going to take that same taupe eyeshadow color and smudge it on your lower lash line. My favorite part, go ahead and generously apply that mascara to your top and lower lashes. Ready for the star of the look? Take your favorite red lipstick and apply it to your lips. When working with very bright, bold lip colors, patience is key. So start out slow. Apply it to the outside of your lips and then work it in the middle. Just take your time, be patient, build up the color and intensity how you like. Once you got your lipstick just right, we're going to take a shiny lip gloss and apply it to our lips for a more glossy look. And that's the completed look. This look is great for any time of the year. You can also swap out the bright red lip color with one of your favorite lipsticks. Have fun with this look, and I'll see you next time.